you're watching this video for a reason. You're probably looking for a way to make money online. We want to introduce you to the system that make it all possible, where everyday people breaking free, changing their lives, doing things that they love and get paid for it. But first, I want to introduce you to my good friend and business partner Denise, who just got started, and I want to ask you, Denise, what inspired you to get started and make a change in your life?
Well, I've been watching you and Mikey.
Mikey's my husband.
Working from your laptop, no matter where you guys are, and making money, really inspired me to get started. I wanted freedom. I wanted to be location independent, time independent, and I didn't want anybody telling me how much I'm worth.
And I think this is the ultimate freedom, right?
Yes.
But right now you probably want to see the proof, you want to see the results, so we want to pass it on to my husband Mikey, where he's going to show you our results, our team results, and how you can do the same.
Click on my business and my earnings. And look what happened, okay? I haven't made one of those videos in a while, so I wanted to show you guys because a lot of people still messaging me and asking me all the questions and if this really works. A lot of skeptics out there. It's okay though, because I'm looking for people who are open-minded and are ready to run, okay? This is this today alone, 3,069 before lunchtime. Actually, 2,500 of it came in before breakfast, and then I went to yoga class and I came back and I had more sales. So $3,000. Came in right before that. Yesterday was 265. So for the past 7 days, $6,951, $6,900, almost 7,000. 30 days over 17,000. We've been doing this for a couple months now, and we earned $30,000 total in earnings, and it just keeps building in momentum every single month. Okay, this is the power of the system. Okay.
Okay guys, so now that you've seen our personal results, I want to show you results of people on our team are producing so that you can see that everyday people just like you are getting started and getting results with the system. So let me scroll down here. You can see some of the results people are creating, some of the sales that are coming in. But look at the bottom. Let me just get all the way to the bottom. And look at this, $187,000. This is total team sales. Okay, so you can see that other people are making money and you can do the
So
same.
guys, so now you saw proof, you saw real results, you saw that it really works. Right now it's time for you to take action and make a change in your life. Somewhere in the description, either below this video or on the side, you're gonna see the link. Click the link, watch the video that explains more details, and get started right now. We're looking forward to seeing you on the inside. Get started right now, and you're awesome.